Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add table of content on your Google Doc. It's pretty simple. First you want to click on view at the top and make sure it says show outline is selected. Once this is tick marked, what you can do is click on this button and your outline is going to appear over here. Now to create a table of content, this is how it needs to be done. So let's say I'm going to write a document on a topic called YouTube. So YouTube is the main heading. So what I need to do is select this, click on normal at the top, and I'm going to call it title. Now because this is basically the topic I'm going to be talking about. Now let's say I write something about it, and now inside the YouTube topic I'm going to be talking about YouTubers. So what I can do is write YouTubers over here, and then what I can do is highlight it, click on normal text, and click on heading 1. Now the reason why I'm calling it heading 1 is because the title is this is the main subject, and YouTubers is basically the sub-subject over here. That's why over here it's YouTubers. And you guys can see the difference. This is topic, this is the main topic, and this is the heading which is inside the topic. Now let's say inside YouTubers, I'm going to talk about Mr. Beast. Now what I can do is write Mr. Beast, highlight him, click on normal text, and heading 2. Now the reason it's heading 2 is because inside YouTubers, Mr. Beast is just one YouTuber. There's also Logan, KSI, just like this, different topic. I can highlight them as well and choose them as heading 2. And as I'm choosing them as heading 2, they are going to be appearing over here as well. Now, inside Mr. Beast, I can talk about Mr. Beast. Inside Logan Paul, I can talk about Logan Paul. Inside KSI, I can talk about KSI. Clicking on them, I can switch between them just like this. So that is basically how we guys can create table of content on Google Docs. Hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.